Good morning. Welcome to Pioneer Update, an opportunity for us to take a look at what's going on in the Batesville Public School System, a service of the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. Today we visit with the director of Batesville's preschool, Michelle Puckett. Michelle, nice to have you on the program this morning, and you know preschool, I do know that, but you also know a lot about Camp Pioneer, and before you know it, Camp Pioneer time will be here.
Absolutely. So Camp Pioneer is our school-age program, and it runs during the summer. And this summer, since our school year got started late, it's only going to be 8 weeks long. So it will run the duration of the summer. And it will run 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., and we hope that we will be able to do our normal summer activities. We hope that we'll be able to access the community center swimming pool and all the Aquatic Center stuff, and we hope that we'll be able to access the bowling alley. We've already talked to the Melba, and it looks like we're going to be able to do all of the movies and the fun activities there. Plus, we have some more additional activities up our sleeves and in the works. The theme for this summer is the Olympics. We don't know if the Olympics are going to occur this year. There's talk back and forth of whether it's going to occur, but we've done a lot of planning for the Olympics, so we're going to go ahead and have our Olympics either way.
Olympics this summer, of course, are in Tokyo, Japan. In Tokyo, will make the final decision. The authorities there in Tokyo.
Right.
How can you become a person to attend Camp Pioneer? How do you do that?
You can call our office at 793-0630 and get on the list.
All right, simple as that. Just make the call, 793-0630. 793-0. And as Michelle says, they'd be most happy to have you as a part of Camp Pioneer. We've been discussing that with Michelle Puckett today, who is head of preschool, and well, she wears many hats, as you know, and does all of those well. Today's program, Pioneer Update, has been a service of the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. Have a nice day. And by the way, be safe when you get out there.